Jak my wszystkie stomy. Dzisiaj my jesteśmy tu na Hollywood Square. Ta jest trochę inna. Ta jest więcej specjalna. Hamtramck Square. Dzisiaj mamy goście. Jezus i Gazuntejk, the Invisible Polak, Titus Wadski, the Polish Easter Bunny, Joseph Campbell, the Hamtramck Chicken, Lech Miński, Leroy Limpetski, and the Unknown Polak. I teraz twój host, Wally Szmaleński.
Thank you, Yashu. I'm Wally Szmaleński, and let's get ready to play everybody's favorite game, Hamtramck Square! Okay, now let's meet this week's contestants. To my left, the Fool from Parts Unknown. And to my right, Penny Pierogi. You may know her from the Flamingo Inn or from a truck stop. Well, Penny, you won the pierogi toss backstage, so you get the first question. How many pierogi can you fit in a can?
What? Tin can? Or my can?
You're not getting nothing in your can tonight. A tin can.
Well, I pick Yashu.
Gesundheit.
My kielbasa ain't fitting in no can. Well, I'd say 2. Anyway.
Well, I agree.
You're correct, Penny. Bull gets the square. Okay, now the next question's yours, Foolski. How many Polacks does it take to screw in a light bulb?
Oh, you're a tightest That's how I pick.
Aren't I supposed to get some free beer? Ain't there beer? Do you have beer? Hello? Free beer?
Didn't they tell you this is a Buzz Jones production? All you get's a bowl of Gin chili and a Ritz cracker. While you're down there,
Well, I guess depends who's holding the light bulb.
And I thought my crew was stupid.
I knew your crew was stupid.
I disagree.
Well, fool, you actually won. Well, let's move on to the next question. What do you call a traditional Polish dress? Penny, pay attention.
Well, I think I'll pick Lech Miński.
What the cracker? Let me Miński is wearing rainbow panties.
What do you mean? Over the head skis so you can do it in the butt skis?
She told me that she
No, I'm sorry. The correct answer is cover the stench ski. Okay, let's try and move on here. I feel like I was at a Buzz Jones concert at Todd's on a weekend.
I miss them days.
I'm sure you were there every weekend. Okay, fool. What is the square root of 4? Hey, don't a square for the win.
Yeah, you're right about that. I picked the Unknown Polak.
Congratulations, you picked the secret square. Well, fool, here's what you could win. You will be playing for 10 pounds of Ginwalski premium kielbasa made here in Hamtramck, Michigan. A VIP massage from Bang & Bob's Salon and anal bleaching on Joseph Campbell, also in Hamtramck. A $20 gift certificate to the New Palace Bakery on Joseph Campbell. And finally, dinner for 2 at Polonia and VIP tickets to Buzz Jones' 2017 Gin World Tour at Smalls Bar in Hamtramck. A total prize value worth $50. What a rip-off. Unknown Polak. What is the square root of 4? Oh, I need an answer.
Yeah. Well, no, that guy looks half in the back. Yeah. Yeah, okay, I say 4. Yeah.
No, I'm sorry. What, did you skip class and stay home and eat lead paint? That's the simplest square root. Oh boy, we got some real special ed guests tonight. I mean real special.
Hi, this is Marty McGillicuddy, coming to you live from Hamtramck. We are advertising Dud-X Pierogies, brought to you by The Buzz Bunny Show. You can pick up these fine pierogies at all 17 convenient locations, which happen to be only in Hamtramck. But you can pick these things up on your way to work, on your way to go get some pistachios or whatever it is. Stop by your nearest convenience store and get Dud-X Pierogies, brought to you by The Buzz Bunny Show.
Okay, Penny. What is the owner's name of the Bologna restaurant on Yemen Street? And who would you like to pick, Penny?
Well, I'll pick Joseph Campo.
Nie rozumiem, co oni mówią. Ja tylko tu jestem. Nie wiem, naprawdę. Ja tylko tu siedzę, tu jest krzesło, ja przyszłem na kiełbasę.
She's a lady. Oh, she's a...
Muhammad?
Congratulations, Penny. You win. Thank God this is over. Better luck next time, dipshit. Tune in next time for the Hamtramck Square. That Buzz real asshole, ain't he there?
Oh, yeah.
Cindy?
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
sweating my ass off.
Shouldn't be in that oven tat line.
He's gonna be so pissed.
All right, I'll give a big smile.
Lick your lips. Santa Buzz gift giving, take 123. Hey, that's it. Scratch your hole.
Yeah.
Itchy, scratchy.
Yeah, there you go. It acts like you're snipping your hand.
Yeah. No, you gotta now sit, stand up, kinda, and then.